I'm your host, William McWilliamson, and today, this is another episode of Grinds My Gears. Today we'll be discussing, Josh was fighting like dinosaurs or something, and I have to make a video for him. So this channel grinds my gears sometimes. Okay, so one of the first points I like to mention was, I don't know, just Josh sending me random stuff of him just nonsense. He just sends me nonsense and tells me to make a video out of it. It takes about like a couple hours because I have to filter out all the nonsense and compile like the actual sensical things together. And that can be really difficult sometimes. He sent me like this vlog clip. I don't know, we went to see Last Christmas, by the way, good movie, watch it. Where he just shot it in vertically the whole time.
Hi guys.
What's up?
He just filmed it like vertically the whole time. I'm like, dude, what do you mean? What do you mean you're supposed to film it horizontally? Like this is horizontal. This is 16 by 9, right? What he shot was like mega vertical or something. Like it was just horrible. There was once where he was just laughing for like a straight minute.
You know that movie? Oh my god! Dylan, stop! Bro!
There was once where like he was just typing on his keyboard the whole time, like
When you're in the bedroom and stuff, and for some reason your house decides to...
Also, you know how hard it is to edit sometimes? And like this, think about it like this. Sometimes the biggest edits are the ones you don't notice, and those like take the longest. Or like at least they like seem to take the longest or something. Like having something like blink a bunch of times on the screen. You know how long that's gonna take me? That's gonna take me like at least like 5 minutes. What else grinds my gears? Oh, one time there was like this prank. They told me like this joke where it's like, oh, why was 16 right afraid of 18? Because 1917. Now I took about a week to figure out that joke. You know what the joke was? It's not a joke. It's not a joke. There's nothing to it. There's no meaning, right? It was just a prank. It wasn't funny. Do you guys eat your spaghetti from a can? Yeah, basically, bottom line is, editing for Josh is really hard. It's really difficult, so I advise against it. Okay, bye-bye.